Your body has an incredible ability to heal, energize, and transform itself, but only if you give it the right fuel. Today, we're unlocking the secret foods that boost energy, sharpen focus, enhance digestion, reduce inflammation, and keep you feeling younger, stronger, and unstoppable. These aren't trendy hacks, they're scientifically backed superfoods your body craves. So stay with me, because the deeper we go into this list, the more powerful the benefits become. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to unlock your body's full potential every single day. Number 1. Blueberries, the tiny antioxidant powerhouse. Blueberries might be small, but they are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Packed with vitamin C and K, manganese, fiber, and some of the highest antioxidant levels found in any food, blueberries act like a natural defense system for your cells. The antioxidants inside blueberries, especially anthocyanins, help protect your brain from aging, enhance memory, and improve focus by fighting oxidative stress. They also support your heart health by lowering blood pressure, reducing LDL cholesterol, and improving artery function. And if you're looking to strengthen your immune system, blueberries have natural antibacterial properties that help your body fight infections more efficiently. Whether you blend them in smoothies, add them to oatmeal, or eat them fresh, blueberries provide a consistent boost to your brain and body every single day. Number 2. Spinach, the leafy green that supercharges your body. Spinach is one of the most complete nutritional foods you can put on your plate. It's loaded with iron for healthy oxygen flow, magnesium for muscle performance, vitamin K for strong bones, and plant-based nitrates that help improve blood circulation and physical endurance. These nitrates widen your blood vessels, allowing more oxygen to reach your muscles and brain, which is why spinach is considered a natural energy enhancer. It's also rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that protect your eyesight from digital screens and aging. Spinach even plays a role in managing blood sugar levels thanks to its fiber content, which slows the absorption of glucose and helps maintain stable energy throughout the day. Whether eaten raw in salads, sautéed, or blended into juices, spinach is a transformative food that nourishes every system of the body. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like this video. It really helps the channel grow and brings you more powerful health content. Number 3. Avocado, nature's pure, healthy fat fuel. Avocados are one of the richest sources of healthy monounsaturated fats, the same heart-protective fats found in olive oil. These fats help balance cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and provide long-lasting, stable energy without spikes or crashes. Avocados are also packed with potassium, even more than bananas, which stabilizes blood pressure and supports muscle recovery. Their fiber content supports digestion, helps regulate appetite, and feeds your gut with beneficial bacteria that strengthen your immune system. Plus, because they contain fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, avocados help your body absorb nutrients from other foods. This makes them a powerful pairing food for salads, vegetables, and whole grains. If you want to boost brain function, nourish your skin, and support heart health, avocados are one of the best foods you can eat regularly. Number 4. Salmon, the ultimate omega-3 brain and body booster. Wild salmon is a top-tier protein source famous for its omega-3 fatty acids, essential fats that your body cannot produce on its own. Omega-3s reduce inflammation throughout the body, support heart function, and play a massive role in cognitive performance. They help improve memory, stabilize mood, and protect the brain from age-related decline. Salmon is also rich in B vitamins, which are crucial for energy production and nerve health. The high-quality protein supports muscle growth, skin repair, and metabolic efficiency. Eating salmon regularly can also improve joint health by reducing stiffness and inflammation. Whether grilled, baked, or steamed, salmon provides powerful nourishment that enhances both mental and physical vitality. Number 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is one of the best foods for gut health thanks to its high probiotic content. These live, beneficial bacteria help balance your microbiome, improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and strengthen your immune system. Greek yogurt also contains double the protein of regular yogurt, making it a fantastic food for muscle repair, appetite control, and metabolic support. Its calcium-rich profile supports strong bones and healthy nerve function, while the combination of protein and probiotics creates a long-lasting sense of fullness that helps prevent overeating. Add honey, nuts, or fruit, and you have a nutrient-packed snack that supports your gut, boosts your energy, and keeps your body running efficiently. Number 6. Walnuts, the brain-shaped nut that boosts intelligence. It's no coincidence that walnuts look like tiny brains. They are one of the best foods for cognitive health. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and polyphenols, walnuts help reduce brain inflammation, improve memory, and protect your neurons from damage. They also support heart health by lowering LDL cholesterol and improving blood vessel elasticity. Walnuts contain melatonin, which supports better sleep quality, and they're filled with plant-based protein that keeps you energized. Their combination of healthy fats and fiber helps regulate blood sugar and reduces cravings, making them an excellent snack for steady energy and mental clarity throughout the day. Number 7. Sweet potatoes, the natural energy stabilizer. Sweet potatoes are one of the cleanest, slow-burning carbohydrate sources you can eat. Their high fiber content supports digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and provides steady energy without spikes. They're loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, a crucial nutrient for healthy skin, strong immunity, and sharp vision. Sweet potatoes also contain potassium, manganese, and vitamin C, all of which help reduce oxidative stress and support recovery after physical activity. Because they digest slowly, sweet potatoes help curb cravings and keep you feeling full for hours. They're also incredibly versatile. Bake them, mash them, roast them, or turn them into fries. Number 8. Turmeric, the golden anti-inflammatory spice. Turmeric is one of the most powerful healing spices ever discovered. Its active ingredient, curcumin, has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that can reduce joint pain, improve digestion, support heart health, and strengthen the immune system. Curcumin also increases levels of BDNF, a brain hormone that enhances learning, memory, and mental clarity. Turmeric has even been linked to improved mood and reduced anxiety because of its impact on neurotransmitters. To maximize its absorption, pair turmeric with black pepper and healthy fats. Whether added to teas, soups, or curries, turmeric provides deep internal healing that enhances long-term health. Number 9. Eggs, the perfect nutrient-rich protein. Eggs are one of the most complete foods ever created. They contain high-quality protein, healthy fats, antioxidants, and nearly every essential vitamin and mineral your body needs, including choline, a nutrient critical for brain development and liver function. The combination of protein and fat makes eggs extremely filling, helping regulate appetite and stabilize energy levels. The antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin support eye health, while vitamin D supports bone strength and immune function. Whether boiled, poached, or scrambled, eggs are an easy and powerful way to fuel your body with long-lasting energy and complete nutrition. Number 10. Oats, the ultimate heart-healthy energy food. Oats are a top-tier source of fiber, especially beta-glucan, a special type of soluble fiber known to reduce LDL cholesterol, improve digestion, and support stable blood sugar. Oats provide slow-release carbohydrates that keep your energy levels consistent throughout the day, making them one of the best breakfast choices for mental and physical performance. They're also rich in iron, magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants that reduce inflammation and support muscle and nerve function. Whether eaten as oatmeal, added to smoothies, or used in healthy baking, oats help keep your heart strong, your digestion smooth, and your energy steady. And there you have it, my friend. 10 powerful foods that can truly unlock your body's full potential when you use them consistently. Remember, small changes in your daily diet can lead to massive transformations in your energy, your health, and the way you feel every single day. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another health-boosting tip. And let me know in the comments which of these foods you're going to add to your meals starting today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.